Good morning, Chris Lehner here at Johnson Motors in New Richmond, and today we have a 2021 GMC 1500 Denali with a 6.2 liter V8. Has about 18,000 miles on it. Real clean truck. We have the towing package on this vehicle and the multi-pro tailgate. Notice the cameras on the back. We also have the spray and bed liner equipped on this vehicle and the sliding rear window. Looks like you're showing new wheels on this, or new tires I should say. Super clean Denali. Notice the running boards extend when you open the door. Lots of room in the back seat. We have the heating and air conditioning and the heated seats in the rear. Little storage area back here. Flip down armrest in the center. Got a sunroof in this vehicle. Got the power seat on the passenger side. Super clean, not seeing anything for dings, scrapes, or any paint issues. Hop inside here, take a look. It does have the big navigation system inside. Also includes wireless phone charging. As I said earlier, the trailering package. Got all your plugins there for your devices. Lots of options here. We got heated and cooled seats, the automatic temperature control. We got the rear view mirror with the built-in camera. Yeah, beautiful truck, 18,253 miles. If you would like to schedule a test drive, make an appointment, please contact Chris, 651-260-3478, or you can call the store at 715-246-2261. Thanks for viewing and have a wonderful day.